Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elle and I am here to teach you North-Sámi. And this is part 2. In today's lesson we are going to talk about how you can express your feelings, ask questions, and put more focus on pronouns. So in North-Sámi we have gender neutral pronouns. We have, for example, son. We don't have like pronouns that reveal any specific gender, like in Norwegian or English. We don't have she or he, hun eller han, like it is in Norwegian. We have son. So I was thinking we can actually just start I can start the teaching session. We are going to start with the pronouns, and here you can see the first person, second person and third person. This is moon. It's about you, only you. It's like when you are expressing that you're doing something, so it will be like Moon loan giji, which means I am reading a book. It's about only you. And then we have moi. Here is an example for that. Moi letnesgihparat. It means we are friends. It is about two people, so it's about you and another person. So moi, it's about you and another person, and this says moi letnesgihpara, we are friends. And then we have me. Here's an example for me. Mi lät oahppa davvi, we are a group. Then it is about you and a few others. Mi lät oahppa davvi, we are a group. You and a few others. And then we have don, doi, di. The first one is don. So here is an example for don. Don lokiji. You are reading a book. It is about one person, but it is not about yourself. But it's like when I am talking about you guys that are watching my video, it is about you, that you are reading a book, not about me. So don, it is about one person, not about yourself. And then we have doi. Here is an example for doi. Doi liahpi jihpi. You two are doing great. It is about, for example, your friend and about another person. So it's like about you guys that are watching plus your friend. It is about two people, you that are watching and your friend. So you two are doing great. And then we have di. Here is an example for di. Di lep jihpit. You and your group are doing great. So it's about you guys that are watching, or in my case it is about my friend and multiple people. So your friend plus multiple people. So it's like about my friend and multiple other people. So di, it is about you and your group, kind of. And then we have this row, son, soai, si. And here is an example for son. Son lohkagiji. They are reading a book. And son, it is about one person. So son lohkagiji, they are reading a book. It is about one person. And this is the pronoun that is gender neutral. In English or in Norwegian, the case would have been he, she, or hun, han. And then we have soai. The example for soai, it says soai labas gihparat. They are friends. So soai, it is about two people. You kind of use this sentence if you're talking to a friend and you two are talking about other people, about two other people. So for example, if I am talking with my friend Sara and we are talking about Mia and Lea, then Mia and Lea are the people we are talking about, me and Sara. So I läpas kihperat. And then we have see. Here is an example for see. See lähtjehpit. They are doing great. This is about multiple people. So you use this if you are talking with a friend about multiple other people and they are like kind of a big group. So if for example me and Sara are talking about a big group, we will say that, oh, they are doing great, that one group. So here are the pronouns we use in North-Sámi. Of course, the biggest, or I think is very important to learn, are these words: lät, läba, lept, lähpi, and letne. They are like the binders of sentences, and I will take that in another video. But now you have learned a few pronouns and examples for the use of the pronouns. The next thing we are going to talk about and learn about is questions and answers. So we can start with the first one. It is if you're interested in one person and you want to know if they are single. So then we have the question: Laudus irgi tahjemuarsi. Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? So lego is do you, dos, it is when you ask of one person, irgi is boyfriend, muarsi is girlfriend. And if you have, then you will answer yo musla, and then you can add yo musla irgi, yo musla muarsi. And if you don't have, then you will say iljat irgi or iljat muarsi. And then it means yo means yes, musla I have. So yo musla, it means yes I have. Iljat, it means no I have not. Next question and answer is man boris laton. Man boris laton, it means how old are you? Man boris laton. Man, it means how, boris means old, laton are you. So man boris laton, how old are you? Answer: Mun län guekteloi guekte jagi boris. I am 22 years old. So mun län means I am, and of course the age. Jagi, years, boris, old. Mun län guekteloi guekte jagi boris. I am 22 years old. The next question and answer is Goston lah ere. Where are you from? Gos, where, don, you, lät, are, eret, from. Gos, don, lät, eret. Where are you from? And the answer, mun län Karasjos ere. I am from Karasjok. Mun län, I am. Län Karasjos ere, from Karasjok. The next question and answer is Mo mannados. How are you doing? Mo, how. Manna, are you doing? Or dos, it is you. So mo mannados. How are you doing? And the answer, mus manna boris. Or you can say mus manna heit. Mus manna boris, it means I am doing fine. If you say mus manna heit, then it means I am not doing so great. And then we have some expressions about how you're feeling. So here we have mulla on ilus, it means I am happy. Mulla on vaivis, I am sad. And then if you want to compliment someone, like I want to compliment my viewers, I just want to say, Don't lack Chaba, you are beautiful. Don't lack Chaba, you are beautiful. So Chaba means beautiful, Don't lack, it means you are. And my viewers are beautiful. So that was today's lesson. So that was all for today's video for part 2. I am very happy that you watch my videos and are interested in learning Northern Sami. It is in UNESCO's endangered list of languages. So it is, I am trying very hard to encourage people to learn Northern Sami, and of course it is a very challenging language, but it is a very rich language, especially when it comes to words and expressions we use in nature. For example, we have over 100 words to describe snow, and then we also have a lot of words to describe reindeers. So it is a very rich language, and if you learn Northern Sami fluently, then you will be very, very rich to express the nature especially. And one thing about Northern Sami language is that we don't have like many expressions that is very often used in Western languages, such as we don't have like an expression to tell that something is cozy. Like we don't have a word for that. It was a random fact. I hope that you learned something in this teaching lesson, and I think it is very important to do what I do, because I am so passionate about our language. It is a very big part of our culture and identity, and it just really enriches and makes our bond to our culture and identity so strong if we also have the language with us. And thank you very much for watching today's video. Comment below what you want to learn next, and like this video if you enjoyed watching it and learned something, and I will see you in next episode.